Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher if it's not already on, over here, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you want to connect to. Select Pair and wait for it to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, click on this gear icon next to the device and select Unpair at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!